In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Canva website template to Google Sites. To begin, open your website design in Canva. Make sure you are viewing the design you want to publish, because the link you generate will reflect whatever is currently on the canvas. When you are ready, go to the Share option in the top right area of Canva. From the Share menu, choose More to see additional sharing options. Look for the Embed option and select it. Canva will open an Embed panel where you can generate code for your design. Choose Embed again to confirm you want the HTML version. Then copy the HTML embed code. Take a moment to confirm you copied the full code, not just part of it, because missing characters can prevent the embed from loading correctly. Now switch to your Google Sites tab, or open Google Sites in your browser, and go to the site where you want to add the Canva template. In the Google Sites editor, go to Pages, so you can create a dedicated page for this embedded Canva website. Click the plus icon to add a new page, then choose Full Page Embed. This option is important because it lets your Canva design fill the entire page area, which looks much more like a real website experience. After you select Full Page Embed, give the new page a clear name, something that matches the content of the Canva template, so it is easy to find later in your site navigation. Once you have named it, select Done. Next, you will add the actual embed. Choose the option to add the embed, then select Embed Code. Paste the HTML embed code you copied from Canva into the box. After pasting, choose Next, so Google Sites can preview the embedded content. If the preview looks correct, select Insert to place it on the page. Once it is inserted, you can adjust the frame size on the page if needed, so the embedded Canva site displays neatly without awkward spacing. When you are satisfied with the placement, your Canva website template is now added to Google Sites and ready to be viewed as part of your site. And that is all there is to it.